Hey everybody, we are in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina right now, and we are at Huntington Beach State Park. While we're not actually going out to the beach today, we are going to look at the birds and the marsh areas. But if you look way back there, that is the ocean. So there's an alligator back there too. So I am super excited. Oh my Lord.
We've never seen one in there.
Yeah, we've never seen one in this little pond before, but this is terribly exciting. So we shall begin, and it's eating out there, and I am just so excited. Oh my Lord. It's a big one. You ready?
Yeah.
Well, we're already standing here, so you might as well be.
Yeah.
Oh, I think the alligator's out there. I know, I wish the alligator would come up a little bit closer. But it's right there, if you can see it, right up above my finger. That is where the alligator is at. That is a big one. So, I don't know all my birds, but that one right there, if you can see it, is the, however you say it, angina, something like that. Anhaya, I don't know. And then you got some white birds over there. I might call those egrets, possibly. The alligator is still moving. I just lose my mind whenever I see an alligator, so it's my focus right now. It's so big. Okay, so the alligator went down for now, so I can focus on some of the birds. But I think this is one of the most unique spots in the park because you get to see the water here, and then you also get to see the ocean from a distance. And that makes it really special to see. So this is interesting. It says death brings life. Spartina grass, also known as salt marsh cordgrass, is the base of the food chain that brings life to the salt marsh. To many salt marsh animals, however, the only good Spartina is a dead Spartina. The tough, fibrous content of the living grass is indigestible to most animals. After the stalks die in the fall, the fallen grass slowly decomposes, forming detritus, a more easily digestible form of many marsh animals. So that's exciting. Ooh, there's a bird. If you want to get stuck in some mud, get stuck in that pluff mud down there. That will take you down. Funniest thing I ever saw, if you ever see Larry the Cable Guy, he did a segment on Murrells Inlet one time. It's absolutely hilarious. You should look it up if you haven't seen it. So the person just passed, they told me the one out there is the night heron and the other one is the ibis. Because, you know, I don't know my birds. I did think that was a night heron though, but I was right on that. But I was not sure about the white one. Now we all know.
prettiness out here. This is why I love living in South Carolina so much. It's just so beautiful. You know, you always see this stuff in movies. And here you get to see it in person. And it's even better if you're lucky enough to live here. And you can come see it anytime you want to. So this says the sounds of survivors' salt marsh inhabitants create a variety of noises used in unique ways to survive. The sounds emitted by these animals help them catch prey, protect territory, and find mates. Listen carefully. What's that sound? And it says snapping shrimp have one greatly enlarged claw that acts as a pop gun when snapped shut. The resulting sound waves stun prey or frighten away predators. This is the source of the popping noises that you hear coming from the marsh mud. Over there, but I don't know what that is. It's just a bird. That's all I know. There was a lost croc there. We already saw the alligator, so now we saw the croc. It says devastating beauty. The beautiful plume feathers of many wading birds were once a popular decoration for women's hats. In the early 1900s, the fashion industry purchased plumes for $32 per ounce, more than even gold bought at that time. Some egret and heron species numbers declined to near extinction. By 1917, people realized the disastrous effect this trade was having on the birds. The National Audubon Society was founded around the efforts to stop their demise, and through public letter-writing campaigns, these birds have made a remarkable recovery. So there's some oyster beds down there. And lots of little tiny fish. So this lets you know that the alligators are the keepers of the marsh. It said alligators are a keystone species of southern freshwater marshes. Their actions contribute to a healthy ecosystem in several ways. They create alligator holes that they use as an insurance policy against drought. These holes are critical to the species diversity of a wetland. During dry spells, each acts as a miniature Noah's Ark, providing enough water for small fish, insect larvae, snails, tadpoles, and other creatures to survive these hard times. Many wading birds are also dependent on alligators. Herons, egrets, and wood storks prefer to nest in the limbs of trees overhanging marshes with alligators below. The alligators act as a home security system for the birds, eating any potential predators that might prey on their eggs or young. So there is a tiny alligator right there. Oh, there's another one. Oh, that one's moving. Maybe it'll come this way. Yes. Maybe it's not. Oh, now it's swimming. Oh. And these are pretty flowers. I don't know what they are either, but they are really pretty. I'm just happy the alligators are out. There's another alligator. And there's a bird up there too. Tool for a modern task called a rice trunk. This device is based on the centuries-old practice of using hollow tree trunks to carry water in and out of rice fields. Here, the apparatus helps us manage marshes as wildlife habitat. Since the 1930s, when conservationists Archer and Anna Hyatt Huntington created freshwater ponds out of salt marshes, this property has been a haven for migratory waterfowl and other wild animals. With funding and support from the coastal program of the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, rice trunks now allow us to optimize the mix of saltwater and freshwater to benefit wildlife. So that alligator's just cruising right along. That was pretty big too. It says all important alligator. Basking at the top of the food chain, alligators are rightly seen as dangerous, but in southern freshwater marshes, alligators are also a keystone species. So I think that's just the same exact sign I read back there earlier. It just looks different. And there's another rice trunk. And if you look to the distance, there's another alligator out there in the water. I do not think those two birds want to be on camera. But it's okay. I got them anyway. And this is yet another overlook. This is the one you've been seeing from where I was just at.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up the video from Huntington Beach State Park in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. So today was more of a wildlife adventure tour. We saw alligators, all kind of birds. I know I pronounced some of those bird names wrong, but that's okay.
You need to get one of them things with all the pictures of them.
Well, how about you buy that for me? I'm pretty sure they got one in the gift shop. Just saying. But anyway, this is my personal favorite state park in South Carolina. And that's also on the record as well. If you ever can track it down, it is on record in a video about that. But anyway, how did you enjoy the visit?
It was good.
Yes, it's hot though. It says it's 82 degrees outside, but I beg to differ. I think it's hotter than that. I was super excited that we got to see that huge alligator whenever we first got here. And then I saw some small ones over there whenever I was walking on the sidewalk. And then I saw another one on that last observation place I went to. So I would say that was a good day for me. I think I saw 5 alligators all total. So that was terribly exciting. And usually I do not do the walk on the side because I'm all about the beach and the castle. Because Atalaya is my most favorite thing in all of the state parks as well. So this is my personal favorite state park, even though I go to all of them. But this one has it all. It has the beach, it has the castle, it's got the birds, it's got the alligators, it's got the forest looking stuff you can go through, it's got a nature center, it's got all kind of stuff I did not cover today. Oh, wonderful gift shop as well, and nice bathrooms. So
You got it?
you gonna do your thing?
She likes me to say, subscribe, it's free.
Well, you've been saying it the whole time, so I think you like to say it. The other day I had to start the video back up because she had not said her closing statement that she likes to say. So yes, if you do enjoy this video, you can give it a like, a comment, you can share it. Maybe some other people want to see Huntington Beach State Park. Anyway, until next time, that's it for this one. We shall see you in the future. Bye.
Bye.